We got a Supra in front of us, and I'm gonna try to see if he wants to race. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. Today we're gonna be heading over to JC's shop to finally install a full set of 8-pillar gauges. I got 3 GlowShift gauges, 1 AEM AFR gauge that's gonna go in the circle vent, and we're gonna have a full set of gauges, super fast and the Furious style. I'm super excited. Like, this is something I've always wanted growing up playing Need for Speed and looking at the 90s JDM cars. I always wanted 8-pillar gauges. So today we're gonna head over to his place and do that. It's early in the morning. We're gonna ride out and I'll pick this back up when we get there. We're crossing the bridge over to Clearwater. We got a nice wall next to us. Yeah, we made it to JC's shop. There's his Evo, full bolt-ons, and I'm hyped, dude. Let's do this. So we ran into a problem installing the sensors. Usually when you do this, the oil and pressure sensors can go into these 2 galleys in your oil cooler sandwich plate. For the Mishimoto thermostatic one and also the non-thermostatic one, there's 2 NPT fittings which you can fit the sensors to. But in this case, the space is just way too tight. There's absolutely no way we can orient this in a way where both sensors would not be hitting something, so it just won't fit. Down here inside the block, there is a galley that I can use a fitting for, an adapter for NPT, and that way we can run oil pressure from the block and run temperature from the oil sandwich plate. So I'm basically gonna have to run without oil pressure for a little bit, just oil temperature. I'm gonna have a dead gauge. In the meantime, I'll work on getting the fitting for the block that'll let me run the oil pressure. If you're planning on running the same setup, which is GlowShift's oil pressure and oil temperature off your Mishimoto thermostatic sandwich plate, it's just not gonna work. There's just simply not enough room. If I put this on, there's hardly even enough room just for this. Like, we're gonna have to orient this in a way just so it's not touching that belt. There's just absolutely no way. We can just mock up the gauge for now, and then once I get that, I can just install it myself. Alright, so if you have this problem and need to find this is what you need for the galley, oil galley. It's the Pro Sport oil galley plug, and I'll link this in the description. So we're almost done. It doesn't look like it, but we are. This is actually a lot harder than people make it out to be. I think people online were like, oh, this will take like 2 hours. I don't know, but so far it's coming out pretty good. Alright, yo, we're almost done. The gauges look dope though. Here we go, dude. Alright, send it. Oh shit, dude! No way!
And then if you like turn on, I haven't put it on yet, but
it dims? Dude, let's go! Oh my god, it looks so good. Alright, yo, we did it. We got the gauges. Look how sick these gauges look, man. I can't wait to shoot this at night. I'm so hyped on this, dude. They look so good. I love these GlowShift gauges. You can change the color. Green's not really my vibe, but that's pretty fucking neat, dude. I love it. I'm so stoked. We're out here, dude. When people fly by me at night, they're like, oh shit, that guy's got gauges, he's boosted. Look how sick they look, man. I'm so happy with this. Oil pressure isn't hooked up yet because we're still waiting for that thing that I spoke about previously, but we'll get it eventually. For now, it's just nice to have gauges to look at. I still gotta see if the boost gauge works. I'll test that out on camera in a little bit. I just did a pull, but I was looking at the boost gauge and the boost gauge absolutely works. There is something so satisfying about seeing that thing climb. I don't know if it'll build boost in neutral. It really doesn't build much boost in neutral. Oh, there you go. Yeah, man, we got the gauges installed. JC did an excellent job. Shout out to J Motorsports. He killed it on this. He did everything super clean, spliced everything super clean. Even on the cables inside the engine bay, he put like a wrap on them so it's blocked so you can't see it's all wired up. It's really nice setup. I'm really, really happy with this, man. I was gonna go with a full AEM setup, which is what people recommend, but I just really like the look of the GlowShift gauges, and from what I've heard from friends recently, they work just fine. They do the job, they're fairly accurate. And to be quite honest, 50% of me just wants them so that one, I don't have to use my phone anymore for the Bluetooth Connect, and two, because they look super cool. Not gonna lie. We got this Supra out here. He was just popping. I should have caught it on camera. It was pretty dope, man. I can't lie. They look super cool. I really want one. All right, yo, we're back with the GoPro. We got the gauges on deck. We got a Supra in front of us, and I'm gonna try to see if he wants to race. I want to race this Supra. I know I'm gonna lose, but I want to try it. Damn, dude. It's fast, bro. One more. That thing's fast, dude. Holy shit. Alright, yo, we're out here with the boys. Ian's here, Blake's over there. We're chilling, dude. We're about to go on some runs right now.
Probably we did not get snacks.
Trying to get snacks right now. And I got my gauges up. They're looking real nice at night. I just have the hood open right now. I like letting it vent, so any heat in there can just kind of dissipate. I really do need to get a vented hood. That will be next. We're just gonna do some runs, nothing crazy, nothing like full send, just have a fun drive. The car's been running pretty well. It's not blowing my mind how fast it is. I think maybe I've gotten used to it, but it does feel good. Eventually I'd like to go 85 and start pushing 350, but that'll be later. There's Blake, being the homie, putting the hood down. What a great guy. Thank you, Blake. That was very nice of you.
No problem, man.
My boy. Look at the gauges, dude. Looks so sick. We got 1G Legacy and the G. Looking sick. Alright, so the GoPro didn't work out. Another homie. I forgot to put the SD card back in the GoPro, so Blake's gonna be shooting footage off the Sony. Yeah, dude, that G flew by. Alright, bro. Here we go, Blake, the best cameraman.
The man that did.
You got your seatbelt on, Blake?
Yeah, I got it. Hey, send it. I got you on camera, bro. Send that
Pull up at the spot, and you know I'm steady blazing.
Grab on his bumper. armadillo like head on. Like he hit that armadillo, and I had to dodge it because he was in front of me, and that armadillo got splattered all over his car. It's somewhere underneath it, and it's just cooking right now. The entire car just smells rancid. It's
Right.
Do you have an engine cover on the bottom?
Yeah, I have an engine cover. Like,
Oh, thank God, dude.
Bro, it's not that, bro. His brains is somewhere on there toasted.
it's on the exhaust.
It's on the exhaust. You see it?
No, like I can like.
You just know it.
the front, I can't smell it.
It's
here.
cooking.
It smells dead.
When you get to the back,
Dead armadillo cooking.
Fuck, dude.
G35 and Ashley, what?
yo, we're gonna teach you a redneck with
Hey,
redneck.
bro, at least he died by a G35, man, not a Honda Civic, okay?
Dude, that was rough, dude. I saw that and I really thought your exhaust fell off. And I was like, I dodged the shit of it. Oh my God, it's an armadillo.
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude.
Smack the armadillo.
Smack the armadillo.
RIP.
R.I.P. armadillo. What are we gonna name the armadillo? What's his name?
RIP the armadillo. Raw BRZ in the cut, man.
What are we gonna name him? We have to give him a name and give like R.I.P. You know?
Francis.
Francis.
RIP.
R.I.P. Francis, bro.
Do you even name Francis?
There's an armadillo somewhere under there. At least pieces of it. That's not the worst kind of roadkill to hit.
It's kind of in a nice car.
They're bulletproof. You like hit a tortoise shell, dude, basically. Oh my God. I don't see any dents in your car.
The car, it just sucked. I shit you out.
The car just sucked it up and spit it out.
Yeah, it was like dead center. So I'm like, all right, fuck it. I've been on that.
Thank you, bro.
And now I'm grilling armadillo redneck style. Let's go. Yeah. Fuck that shit.
Yikes. I've never seen anyone hit an armadillo before. I'm sure this is not new, but it is to me.
Alive, so that's the best part.
Yeah, he was already dead, so it's not too bad. Like, he was already a goner. And now we're gonna fill up with only the best. It's crazy because I was just at a different station and it was $4. So we're gonna save a little bit here. We got a Beamer, boy, let's go. It's clean, dude. Look at the paint. The paint is like immaculate.
B58, right? Engine?
Say again?
It's the B58 engine, right?
Yeah, the B58.
Nice.
Sexy ass car, goddamn. I'm getting a little hard.
It's probably a lot faster than my car.
Is it?
I think so. Torque. Just torque.
Curve, right? Here's the pecking order. He wins. I'm second. You're last, unfortunately.
Wait, what? Oh, torque. But I'm gonna beat you on a race.
Yeah. Harder weight and best winner. Probably pretty even with him. Okay.
Night long. When I die, bury me without my pants on.
Bro, I want to go to Castle now. What the fuck?
Only 11? What the fuck?
Bro, I wish I had. Bro, if I had $200, we'd go to Castle tonight. No lie. No lie, man.
My car smells like real armadillo.
Your car smells like armadillo. It's true.
Alright. This is Raven the armadillo.
How did this happen, man? Tell us it, like,
Bro,
step by step.
Bro, I'm just cruising, right? I'm like in between setting and coming off down, and I'm like dead center. I can't avoid this dude, right? Niggas just going. I'm like, all right. I'm like 5 seconds in my head, I just see a little dome of light. I'm like, and it's like the angels picking this nigga up, and then I go,
Nah,
straight to him.
It's literally like a shell from Mario, but you hit it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh my God.
And I just see you, it's like,
Dude, I dodged hard. All right, we made it back to the house. BRZ's in one piece. Ran really good tonight. If you watched the video all the way through, thank you very much. If you'd like, leave me a like, subscribe. You don't have to, but it helps me out. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.